Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or enable dark mode on your Instagram app on your mobile device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Instagram and select your profile icon on the bottom right to be directed to your profile page. Then select the hamburger icon on the top right. And now you want to scroll down underneath where it says your app and media and select accessibility and translations. Select where it says dark mode and you can turn it on or off depending on your preference. Very simple process on how to do that, guys. So very simple process on how to do that. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.